Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson. Happy Easter.
Easter is a special holiday celebrated in many parts of the world. It's a time when people remember and celebrate the story of Jesus Christ. According to Christian beliefs, he rose from the dead after being crucified. And this happened during the Easter. For children, Easter often means fun things, like hunting for colorful eggs that are hidden around their homes or gardens. These eggs can be made of chocolate or decorated with bright colors. Easter also brings the Easter Bunny, a friendly rabbit who hops around, delivering baskets filled with candies. It's a joyful time to spend with family and friends, sharing love, happiness, and maybe even a few sweets. During Easter, families often gather for special meals together, like Easter brunch or dinner. Many people also attend church services to reflect on the religious significance of the holiday. In addition to egg hunts, some families enjoy decorating eggs with colorful dyes. It's a time to celebrate new life, hope, and the arrival of spring after the cold winter months. Overall, Easter is a time of joy, renewal, and spending quality time with loved ones. We, from my class, your class, wish you a blessed Easter.